Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to talk about hair. We're going to talk about some products that I've been using recently and I have seen improvement in the quality of my hair, in the strength of my hair. I can't really tell you guys if it's helping my hair grow, but I did have a bald spot that was not growing. Like the hair was not growing. I'll show you guys pictures of what it used to look like maybe 3 months ago and what it looks like now. So I feel like it's actually helping my hair grow. I did cut it off. It's shoulder length, but it's so full and fluffy, bouncy, shiny, and healthy and thick. I feel like these products have really helped my hair. I really just wanted to stick with these products. I don't wash my hair every single day. I do wash it maybe once or twice a week. I do use dry shampoo as well when I have to, but if my hair is super dirty, I'll just throw it up in a bun or I'll do little braids. But these are the products right here. I'm about halfway done with it, which is really good. I've been using them for almost a month and I've definitely seen a change in the quality of my hair. These are the products right here. The shampoo is a little bit more on the watery side, so I kind of had to get used to that type of consistency. Shampoos I use are pretty thick, but this one's a little bit on the watery side, so when I apply it I try to like quickly put it in my hair. The shampoo and conditioner contain a lot of vitamins, amino acids, minerals, which will definitely be good for your hair. And I don't know, I just been really liking my hair, how it looks. Hair really does mean a lot, and these products have been helping me out so much. These products are actually paraben free, fragrance free, cruelty free, silicone free, SLS free, and GMO free. It has like a citrus orange smell to it, which smells so good and clean and fresh. But other than that, I've been really liking the shampoo and the conditioner. I use them together and they've been really helping my hair out. I also have been using this right here, which is the Ultimate Growth Spray, and it has caffeine, minerals, and biotin in it, so it's supposed to help your hair grow. And I don't really know if this is doing anything for my hair, but I do apply it. I do apply it as soon as I towel dry my hair. I'll apply this and then I'll blow dry it. But it's just a spray and it's super easy to use, so I just use it. They also have this repair hair mask, which I use about once every 2 weeks or every week depending on my hair. I feel like I haven't had the need to use it as much because I used to use it once a week and then my hair just started looking super healthy and shiny, so I feel like I didn't have to use it. But it does give you like that boost of hydration, and I feel like it definitely helps with making your hair shiny. So I do like to use it every other week, and I can tell you guys I've actually seen instant results with their eyebrow and their lash serum. So little story, I went to get my lash extensions done and I went to a place where I normally don't go to. I was a little skeptical at first. I should have trusted my gut. The lady who did it really fast, and normally when my friend does my lash extensions she takes like 2 to 3 hours, but she was doing it pretty fast, and they weren't clusters that she was putting on like they do at the nail salons, which those are really bad, but they were lash extensions. The only thing I did see that she was doing was applying a fan to like 2 or 3 lashes instead of placing it on one individual lash. So I feel like that's why she kind of went through my lashes pretty fast. But when they started falling out, if a fan would fall, I would have like 3 of my natural lashes falling. So that is when I was like, you know what, I have these products coming in the mail, I'm gonna put them to the test. And they also have an eyebrow serum as well. I feel like the product is the same. The applicator is just a little bit different. It's easier to apply the eyelash one because it's kind of like a pointy applicator. And then for the brows, it looks like a lip gloss applicator and you just apply it to your eyebrows. It's super watery products, but these guys right here really work. Like my eyebrows grew very beautifully and I just shaped them. My lashes are like back to normal and more. So I really am obsessed with the lash and eyebrow serum. So I feel like since these gave me pretty quick results, these are actually working their magic. My hair grows really slow, so I feel like that's why it's taking a little longer. but I have seen like the bald spot in the back of my head grow, and my hair just looks super shiny and pretty and healthy. It just does its thing. So these products right here, amazing. Yes, I would definitely get these again because I've seen results in my hair. I feel like the vitamins and the amino acids in these products just really help your hair. Like, it just really helps my hair look a lot stronger and healthier. And I really think it's these products because I haven't changed anything else. I did cut my hair, but I had these short pieces in the front that looked very dry, like a broom, and I just didn't know what to do with them. I didn't know what to do with my hair because they just didn't look right, and now they're like growing a little bit more. They don't look dry anymore, like at all, when I use these products. So I feel like they definitely make a difference, and I'm gonna keep using them because I do want my hair to grow, especially for the summertime. My hair grows slow, so I'm sure that these are going to help with my hair growth. But the eyelash and eyebrow serum, I definitely have seen results with it, and I'm amazed because I used to use castor oil, and yes, that did help, but I just didn't see the results right away. So these, I saw results like in 2 weeks. I saw like my eyebrows were growing quicker than normal, and hair that would never grow, like some bald spots that I had, started growing. Like the hair was so small, but it was there and it was growing. And then my eyelashes, of course, which they take a long time to grow as well. I had like barely any lashes on my eyes. These are falsies, by the way, but my natural lashes look full and pretty and healthy and strong, and I could definitely say it's the eyelash and eyebrow serum. So I'm sure that the ingredients that are in these serums are probably in these products as well. I was super excited when I was trying these out because I was like, okay, this actually works for other people, and I'm excited to share this with you guys. So if you guys have any questions on any of these products, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.